a tribute to rebel poet Qazi Nazrul Islam on this Independence Day. Qazi Nazrul Islam, who used his pen as a weapon to fight against British colonizers, was born on 25th May 1899 in Churulia village of Bardhaman district of West Bengal. His father was Qazi Fakir Sahib and mother was Zahida Khatun. He lost his father during his childhood days, so he had to work in several places to make arrangement for his family. He started working with a theatre group and wrote lyrics and plays it. In 1917, he joined the military services so that he can train himself in using arms, which might be useful for him to fight the colonizers away. But things did not work well as planned, and he then returned to his native place in 1990, settled down and focused on his literary career. Every phase of Nazrul's life highlights both his passion for learning as well as his unwavering humanitarianism. While servicing in the British Army during World War I, he discovered the Persian poetry through a Punjabi Maulvi in the regiment. Such was the impact of Hafiz, Rumi and Omar Khayyam on this young man that he experimented the same and is considered as one of the pioneers of Ghazal in Bengali poetry. Further, he took membership in the Indian National Congress and actively participated in various programs during the National Freedom Movement. He started writing revolutionary literature, inspiring youth to join the National Freedom Movement and overthrow the British rulers. As a result, he was branded as rebel poet. Through his writings, he made sharp criticism against the misrule of British administration. The British government, irked by his writings, sent him to jail. Even in jail, he revolted against the authorities. He launched hunger strike and continued it for 40 days. In the prison, demanding improvement in the condition of the inmates.
দুর্গমগিরি কান্তার মরু দুস্তর পারাবার লঙ্ঘিতে হবে রাত্রি নিশীতে যাত্রীরা হুঁশিয়ার দুলিতেছে তরি ফুলিতেছে জল ভুলিতেছে মাঝি পথ ছিড়িয়াছে পাল কে ধরিবে হাল আছে কার হিম্মত কে আছো জওয়ান হও আগুয়ান হাঁকিছে ভবিষ্যৎ এ তুফান ভারী দিতে হবে পারি নিতে হবে তরি পার তিমির রাত্রি মাতৃমন্ত্রী শান্তিরা সাবধান যুগ যুগান্ত সঞ্চিত ব্যথা ঘষিয়াছে অভিযান ফেনাইয়া উঠে বঞ্চিত বুকে বঞ্চিত অভিমান ইহাদের পথে নিতে হবে সাথে দিতে হবে অধিকার অসহায় জাতি মরিছে ডুবিয়া জানে না সন্তরণ কান্ডারি আজ দেখিব তোমার মাতৃমুক্তিপণ
After release from the prison in 1925, Islam started Shramik Proja Swaraj Dal with a focus of total self-rule. He launched a magazine Langol to promote the ideology of the Dal. Meanwhile, he met communist leader Muzaffar Ahmed and was influenced by the development of Russian Revolution. This caused serious ire among the British rulers. They sent him jail again and imposed a ban on his magazine and his poetry. But Nazrul Islam never stopped writing, despite illness and poverty. He continued writing and criticizing the British rulers and landlords.
হিন্দু না ওরা মুসলিম ওই জিজ্ঞাসে কোনজন কান্ডারি বলো ডুবিছে মানুষ সন্তান মোর মার গিরি সংকট ভীরু যাত্রীরা গরু গরজায় বাজ, পশ্চাৎ পথযাত্রীর মনে সন্দেহ জাগে আজ। কাণ্ডারি, তুমি ভুলিবে কি পথ, ত্যাজিবে কি পথমাজ? করে হানাহানি তবু চলটানি নিয়াছ যে মহাভার। কাণ্ডারি, তব সম্মুখে ওই পলাশির প্রান্তর, বাঙালির খুনে লাল হলো যেথা ক্লাইভের খঞ্জর। ওই গঙ্গায় ডুবিয়াছে হায় ভারতের দিবাকর, অধিবেশে রবি আমাদেরই খুনে রাঙিয়া পুনর্বার। ফাঁসির মঞ্চে গেয়ে গেল যারা জীবনের জয়গান, আসি অলক্ষ্যে দাঁড়িয়েছে তারা দিবে কোন বলিদান। আজি পরীক্ষা জাতির অথবা জাতের করিবে ত্রাণ, দুলিতেছে তরি ফুলিতেছে জল, কাণ্ডারি হুঁশিয়ার।
Nazrul's fiery writing were soon to draw the wrath of the British Empire, and barely a month after the launch of Dhumketu, his place was raided for the publication of his political poem Anandamoyer Agamone. He never hesitated to criticize wrong things which his conscience did not accept. He publicly wrote against the idea of partition in 1941 in a poem titled Deshattobodha. Along with writing, he was a good orator and also a gifted singer. But unfortunately, Islam fell in 1942 and lost his voice completely. He spent about later 3 decades in mere silence. After independence, Nazrul Islam was honored by the government of India and Bangladesh with several awards, including honorary doctorates. Qazi Nazrul Islam was honored by the government of India with the Padma Bhushan in 1960. He breathed his last on 29 August 1976 in Dhaka.